Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to add a new tab in Duckduckgo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to add a new tab in this application allows you to multitask and browse multiple websites simultaneously. It enhances your browsing experience by enabling you to keep different pages open for easy access without losing your current page. So, let's go with the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Duckduckgo application. Well, and then, to add a new tab here, simply click this option. And then you can tap plus icon here. Okay, so now, the new tab is successfully added. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a new tab in Duckduckgo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.